Hello ladies and gentlemen, and what's going on? So we are going to start installing our Xampp server right here so we can get started with this course. Okay, if you Google Xampp, a link like this should appear. I'm now on my virtual machine. If this is sound a little confusing to you, okay, yeah, it's kind of weird, but I don't want to install it, uninstall it and then reinstall it back on my main machine. Okay. Now we're over here on the Apache server on the apachefriends.org, and we can download right here. You can download any one of these. There is no actual difference between the first three, but you don't want to be downloading the fourth one because this is PHP 8 and we're working on PHP 7 right here. And if you have this question like why don't we work on the 5th version, it's also popular. I would say there are not many differences between the 5th version and the 7th version. Okay, and the 7th version comes with a lot of great features. It's more modern and I like it a lot, so we are going to be working with it. Okay, so now you go ahead and press on download. Okay, this is kind of slow. You can speed up this video if you press on download right here. I'm gonna be working with the 7.4.1, and now it should be downloaded right here. Okay, I don't know why the panel didn't pop up. It should be popping up at your computer right now. Maybe I'm disconnected or anything like that, but if it didn't pop up, you can click right here. Sounds kind of weird. If you click right here, it will get you to the sourceforge.net, and you can download it right here. Okay, it's really easy and simple to download, just like any other program. Now I have it over here on my network. Of course, this will not be the case for you. Just because I'm on my virtual machine, it should be right here. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on it, and you notice that I have 7.4.2. Okay, there are not any differences. They're not very big differences between 7.4, 7.4, 7.3, or anything like that. They're basically the same thing. So if we click on it, I told you this is going to be kind of slow, so speed it up a little. Okay, I want to install this. Come on. Okay, I don't know if I should stop the recording right now. Okay, this is getting really boring right here. So let me stop it and get back to you. This whole virtual machine thing is okay. Now I got my panel right here. If I click OK and next, and now here is our tools inside our Xampp. This for the server we have Apache right here. I cannot uncheck this. You can see right here because this is mandatory. You cannot uncheck it, and of course you need the server. And in the programming languages you have PHP. Of course you cannot uncheck it. And in the program languages, of course, you have PHP MyAdmin right there. So, and you have a lot of other tools like MySQL, FileZilla, which is concerning with uploading your files to a host or anything like that. Okay, but I don't like to uncheck any of this. You can go ahead and click next with me, and it will be saved in C file, C folder, okay, or the C drive, and click next. Okay, please select a different folder. Okay, so I actually installed it on my C a while back ago, so I will just go ahead and delete it. Okay, so now if I click next, we'll go ahead and to the next panel right here, and we need to uncheck this, next, and then next. Okay, now this could take a couple of minutes to install, so I will just get back to you in a couple of minutes. So now we're back again after the installation is done or nearly done. So it says right here, do you want to start a control panel now? And I'm going to uncheck this, and this is because I want to start the control panel as an administrator, so it can run in the background every time we start our computer. Okay, so if we run it, if we check this and run it, it will just, you will have to run it every time you start your computer, and this is this is really annoying. We need to run it in the background, without having to run it all over again every time we start our PC. Okay, so I'm going to uncheck this and click on finish, and now if you go to your C drive like this, if you go to your Xampp, it will be in the C drive. Okay, now if I go over here and start my Xampp control as administrator, okay, and now you can choose whatever you want, but I will just go with English. Save. Now it should start up the panel. Come on. Okay, there you go. And now if this is red, you will have to click on it, so it will turn green, and this will be also red if you wanna click on it, so it will be green. Just just install your services, but they're here installed. I don't know how that happened, but it can happen sometime. But now if we go ahead and click on start like this should start the Apache server. Okay, and now it started right there, and if we click on this the PHP MyAdmin tool, which is an interface for managing databases, is also run. Here is our ports. Okay, this is 3306, and this one is 8443. Okay, if we go ahead and click on admin, this should trigger a page right here that will open up our page. Okay, this is kind of slow, so I will just stop my video right here, and in the next one we are going to start the server and work on our course. Okay, so sorry for the inconvenience and the slow recording and all of this. I'm really sorry, and in the next one we are going to work on our course. So see you in the next